Hello once again my beautiful watchers. Today I am going to help all of you that may or may not, but probably due to be honesty, struggle with technology. I am making egg waffles because they taste very yummy and are cool. They also taste very good. Pardon the bag on my hand, my mommy says I can't show anything personal about myself until I grow older and wiser, but I am already wise enough I think. Anyway, that is why I have a bag on my hand. It is to keep my personal identity safe. What would I do if someone got my fingerprint? I don't know. Anyway, just waiting for the toaster to be done. The waffles are back in the toaster and now it's just a waiting game. I'd glossed over it before, but here are the directions spoken while it cooks. First, grab your toasting item, in my case a waffle, from the box or bag. Second, put it in the toaster. Third, this is a very important step. Adjust the dial so it gets cooked through but is not seared and burned and black, unless that is how you like your toast and waffles. But I do not, so I will not. That is all, let's just let it cook and end when it is over. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Try this at home and rate 5 stars and subscribe. More excellent, helpful, informative content coming soon. Do 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 do.